How to make any girl like you. It's so easy for penguins. If they like a female, they can just go ahead and offer a pebble to her to win her heart. If she accepts, the two penguins mate and spend their whole life together. Just a pebble, and they have a girl to spend their whole life with. But us humans are a lot more complex, and to actually make a girl like you, there are so many complications on the way. Girls notice your looks, your dressing sense, your personality, your sense of humor, your social media, and that's just to name a few. Over time, we've started to make progress on understanding what actually makes a girl like you. So today, I'll tell you some simple ways in which you can make absolutely any girl like you and be attracted to you. Just stay tuned until the end of this video, because you really don't want to miss this out. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. I'm sure most of us can relate. You had a crush, she wasn't really into you, then you developed a crush on someone else later, and she didn't seem interested either. You tried your best to show that you're interested in her, but that just drove her even further. And the worst part was seeing her show a lot more interest in guys that didn't even show any interest in her. I mean, we've all been there, and it always sucks to see that. But look at it this way. Have you ever had a girl be interested in you? If you have, you might have noticed something. The girls that chase you and show that they're interested in you, you often don't find yourself attracted to them. But on the other hand, girls that don't seem to want you, they always seem more attractive. That's just human nature. When someone's not confident in themselves and they keep chasing another person, it's usually a huge turnoff. So how can you actually win girls over? What can you change? Well, it's easy. Once you're confident in yourself, you'll just seem to attract more girls. First of all, you need to exactly understand just how important being confident is. Confidence is the one thing that girls are most attracted to. So when you meet a new girl, be confident. Feel relaxed and just be yourself. You'll realize that just by being confident, you can make girls laugh and they'll just like being around you. And obviously, if someone likes your company, that means they like you. That can also make them develop feelings for you and get attracted. The key is being confident and making them feel happy to be around you. You'll notice that beautiful girls might actually start chasing you because of that. So, why do they all love it so much? Well, it's not entirely your confidence. It's how it makes them feel. See, we all know women are naturally a lot more emotional than men. In fact, that has even been proven by research. Think about it. When you sit down to watch TV, you probably turn on something like sports, something that isn't completely driven by emotions. But when a girl sits down to watch TV, she puts on something emotional. That's just what girls are usually attracted to, probably an emotional movie or a TV show. Why do they watch emotional things? Well, it's simply because they want their emotions to be stimulated. They crave to feel good emotions. That's just how women are wired. Studies have even shown that girls tend to remember situations that are more emotional. So if you truly want to be in a girl's mind, you need to stimulate her emotions. You need to do exciting things and you need to make her feel good emotionally. But there's one small problem. Considering girls are more emotional, these include bad emotions as well. Girls are a lot more sensitive to bad emotions than men. One wrong word and you can set her off. And if you really want to be liked, you really need to be cautious about what you say and how you make her feel. So you always need to avoid negative emotions. Yes, you need to stimulate her emotions, but you also need to stimulate the right emotions. To do that, you need to be a positive company. You should make her laugh. You should make her smile. You should make jokes, but at the same time, make sure you don't make a bad joke that might set her off. For girls, there's a very thin line between a good joke and an insensitive joke, so make sure you never cross that line. Now, if you think it's hard for you to be comfortable around girls and spread positive emotions, you need to work on that first. Don't go on making moves before you've worked on it. You'll end up worsening the situation. So work on being comfortable. Play around with your strengths and then try to approach that girl you've been fancying since a while. Be comfortable around her. Make her laugh. Trust me, it won't be long before she starts thinking of you all the time. She starts to be attracted to you. I know it sounds hard. Communicating with a girl can be hard, but, well, humans are complex. Maybe in a perfect world, getting a girl to like you could have been as easy as giving her a pebble, but, well, we don't live in a perfect world, do we? But honestly, all you have to do is not make the girl your whole center of attention. When you just get completely obsessed with her, it's hard to feel comfortable. You overthink your every move. Instead, stay calm. You know, it's just a girl. So relax, go and try and strike a conversation and just be yourself. And on that note, let's end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to After School Psychology. Also, Tap that bell icon so you get notified about any videos we upload in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.